Have you ever dreamt of visiting the inside of Burj Al Arab Hotel? Reach out to Arabian Excursions and book your tickets for the Inside Burj Al Arab tour. They are the leading destination management company based in the UAE. You can easily book a tour of the iconic Burj Al Arab Hotel and get 24/7 customer support. Arabian Excursions provides the best tours and attractions such as the Atlantis helicopter tour, Wild Wadi, Royal Safari and many more. Want to know more? Visit www.arabianexcursions.com or contact them at +97143237577 for more information.